Hi everyone! Today we're going to show you how to transform your basic collection page into a professional, high-converting store experience that upgrade visuals and improve functionality for the collection page. Now, let's get started. First, we need to get into Shopify Admin Dashboard and click on Smind Sections from your list, and then click on Library. Now, by default, the library might show you individual sections, but we want the full package. Click on Templates and then choose Collection Page to filter the view. This will show us complete page designs ready to go. Now you can browse through the available templates by scrolling down or using the search bar. For this example, we are looking for a specific collection page for men's workout clothes, specifically the one called Clothing 9. Once you spot that template, click on the thumbnail image to open up a preview. If it looks good, let's get it on your site. Click that Install button and you'll see a pop-up appear where you can change the template name if you want. Once you're happy with the name, click the Install button again, wait just a quick moment for it to process, and then click Content Editor. This will take us straight into the Shopify editor so we can get to work. Alright, now that we're in the editor, take a second to preview the new templates you've just installed. You'll see we have a few sections right here ready to display your collection quickly. Now, let's start editing the collection page. And we need to establish the visual foundation for the page by setting our fonts and layout width. On the sidebar, click on Smind Styles. Let's set the typography first. Under Headings, change the font family to Montserrat, set the style to bold, and adjust the font scale up to 120%. Moving down to the body text, change the font family to Roboto, set the style to regular, and set the font scale to 110%. Next, scroll down to the Layout section and let's set the page width to exactly 1900 pixels to give us plenty of room. Next, we are going to customize the collection list header. This is that row of icons and links at the top of the page. You should go ahead and click on Collection List 1-1 in the sidebar. First, toggle the Container Full Width option to On, and then you can change the heading for the sections right here. So we're going to change something like T-shirt and tops for the collection list and change the descriptions as well. Now, let's adjust the layout. You can change the number of columns on desktop to 5. After that, we have to edit the content blocks. First, let's clean up. If there are any unnecessary default blocks, select them and click Remove Block. Now, let's customize the ones we want. Click on each individual collection block in the list. For each one, you'll want to upload a representative image, rename the heading, and then add a short subtitle or description, and finally, assign the specific collection URL to the button. So you need to repeat this process for all 5 collection blocks to ensure you have a complete professional-looking row. Then we have to configure the main collection page. Click on the Collection Page 1-1 section, and in the Settings panel, the first thing you must do is change a specific collection to display on, like T-shirt and tops, so you can see a live preview of your changes while you work. Now let's look at the general layout settings. Enable Container Full Width. Then adjust the sidebar size slider to determine how wide the filter sidebar is and adjust the heading size to control your sidebar titles. Next, let's enable some functionality features. Turn on Limit Filter Widget Height to stop long lists from stretching the page. Turn on Show Count to see product numbers next to filters, and turn on Show Total Results. You also want to turn on Show Column Switcher to let customers choose their view, and definitely turn on Enable Sorting so they can sort by price low to high. Now for the grid configuration. Set your products per page limit. For the number of columns on desktop, set this to 4 for a nice balanced view. For mobile, set the number of columns to 2 so products are easily viewable on smaller screens. For pagination, I usually choose standard numbered links, but you can check out infinite scroll or load more. Then you can change the pagination style to square. Finally, for this section, let's style the product card. Set the media ratio to adapt so the card fits your image's original shape. Next, you need to keep media shape as default. Under Card Details, I decided to turn everything on to make sure all product information like vendor, name, and price is displayed properly for the customer. We're almost there, and we need to set up those interactive elements on the left. First, click on the Filter block to enable the filtering menu. As you see a quick note here, if you need to add custom filter trees, there's a link inside the block to a detailed guide for that. Next, click on the Categories block. This is where you add menu items. Change the heading to Collections, and then select your main menu or a specific link list to display your navigation links right there. Now, let's make it visual. Click on the Gallery block. This is perfect for cross-promotion, where you can upload some additional product or lifestyle images here and add links to them to send customers to other pages of your store. After that, click on the Social Media block. Choose your preferred icon style and adjust the icon size slider until it looks perfect to you. Finally, click on the Image Banner block. This is great for sales, and you need to upload a promotional image, something like up to 50% off, and add a link so the banner directs users straight to that sales page. And now, the final review. We never publish without checking. Check the display in desktop view to ensure the 4-column layout and the sidebar look exactly right. Then switch to mobile view in the top right corner. Verify the 2-column layout and make sure that filter drawer works correctly. Once everything looks perfect, click Save in the top right corner to publish your changes. And that is it. You've successfully installed and customized a professional collection page template. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.